people have been struggling with how to make better decisions from more data forever.
In general, our lives are getting more complex. We're making more data, we're making more complex analytics even.
And then once you get the data, then it's like, oh, there's all kinds of problems before you even analyze it.
We know that when clients look at changing their business, changing the way they work in HR, in marketing, in finance, in operations, we know that they want to infuse analytics and better informed decisions in every part of their business. But we also know that the current generation of tools that they have get locked up in IT or in the domain of data scientists. And we just want to break that wide open and change the game by allowing every user in every business to have incredibly powerful analytics at their fingertips.
It's amazing when you have this solution all come together in one platform.
If you think about the beginning, you might start with a problem. And let's say you're in sales, for example, and you know that your quarterly revenues are going down, maybe in specific brands. Well, first thing that Watson can really help you do is bring in the data, start making sure that your data is in the right shape, start digging into the data and coming up with interesting insights. These insights could be identifying patterns or relationships or connectivity between things you may have not seen before, and looking at what things are going to become down the road, predicting out where things will be.
My piece comes in when, in the very, very beginning, when you say, what data is available for me to use? And now pull in that data under the covers. So a person comes in and says, I need some data and I want to go look in this place, or this is the data available to me. Now go and get me this data and pull it into Watson Analytics. And now tell me about it. Does it have quality problems? Is it good quality, bad quality? Do I have confidence in using it? And then helping me to fix some of those problems automatically within the tool.
So I work on the cognitive capabilities. The cognitive capabilities span the life cycle of the data as it flows through the system. So from the point that it's being ingested into the system, we're doing things like analyzing it, trying to figure out what concepts exist, what are the semantics of the data. So if you're asking where are my sales the worst? So where as a word, actually, from a language processing standpoint, is about location. So that's the link, where there's lots of what words that you use in natural language processing: who, what, why, where. So what's happening is Watson Analytics is assembling all of those pieces and figuring out how to best represent that data to you.
So what we have come up is a automation. We go through with a distributed environment on cloud. We take your data, we run through all kinds of possible methods, and we select it for you. So as a user, all you have to do is to look at that result.
We wanted to make the design clean and simple. We wanted to make it something straightforward that made it easy for users to figure out how to navigate through complex data, sophisticated processes, difficult questions and answers. And what we tried to do was come up with the best visualizations, the best interface to get users from point A to point B, and help them find the answers they were looking for.
We have quite a lot of visualization capability. It ranges from your basic visualizations to domain-specific visualizations. These are everything from your classic bar and pie charts to things that are more interesting: tree maps, geographical maps, decision trees.
And I think Watson Analytics as a platform is allowing people really, you don't need the IT support, and you don't have to be the graphics expert. You don't have to be the data scientist, and there you all can do it from end to end. I think that's just amazing.
I think Watson Analytics is a project that brings together so much of what has become important about getting to new buyers in new ways and connecting data and cloud and engagement to change the way our clients work.